So in this lecture, I am going to tell you about random variables. Okay, so what is a random variable? A real valued function defined on the sample space is called a random variable. Okay, suppose I have two dice, first dice, this is the second dice, and I want to compute the sum. Okay, sum, I want to compute the sum. So x equal to sum of outcomes of the two die. X is a random variable here. Okay, this x is a random variable. So what can be the possibility of x? X can be equal to 1. Is it possible? No, because at least the sum should be 1 plus 1 equals to 2, at least 2, because we don't have 0 in this die. Okay, so the value of x can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, and so on. We have to compute the probability of x equal to 2, that is how many times 2 is coming. So 1 comma 1 order pair, this sum will make 2 and nothing else. Okay, only a singleton set will make this. So it will be 1 divided by total number of outcomes while throwing 2 die is 6 square, that is 36. So we have 1 divided by 36. Okay, similarly, how many times you are getting 3? For 3 you have the order pairs 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Okay, this is 2 times you are getting. So probability of x equals to 3 is 2 divided by 36. Similarly, you can list out other things also, like probability of 2 is 1 by 36, 3 is 2 by 36, 4 is 3 by 36, and so on. So what is the probability that we are getting 0? That is obviously 0. And probability that we are getting 1, that is also 0. Okay, similarly, what is the probability that we are getting 13? In any case, are we getting 13 as an outcome? Definitely not, because 6 plus 6 equals to 12. We don't have any more entry greater than 6. Okay, so this is not possible. So 0, 0, 0. So now let's do an interesting thing. Let's find the sum. Okay, sum of pi's. Okay, and I ranging from this 2 to 12. Okay, what are we getting? So we will get 1 by 36 plus 2 by 36. Okay, whatever is written in this pink color, we are getting it up to 1 by 36. So it will yield, what it will yield? It will yield 36 by 36, that will be equal to 1. Okay, you can calculate it. So what can be the probability of I sum when it's ranging from 0 to infinity? Because probability of 0 is 0, 1 is 0, 13 is 0, 0 and 0. So that is not doing anything extra to our work. So anything will be like this summation I equals to 2 to 12 p of I plus anything extra will give 0. So this is nothing but 1. So that is a thing that we got.